Yeah. So at first, very skeptical, a lot of fear and concerns about privacy and, what that would do to the client experience, whether it would make clients, be paranoid and maybe stop coming to see us. And so we really worked with the Eleos team on, a good understanding of what the product is and what it isn't, and really tried to calm those fears and reassure our staff that everything is private and secure. Most of the time, the client doesn't even experience any sort of disruption in their care or anything like that. And they're actually feeling more listened to and heard during their sessions.